Good morning, students. We have already started the integration on the basis of partial fractions. So, we have started exercise 6E, 5 problems yesterday. So, let us continue the 6th problem onwards. So, the question is integral dx by x plus 1 into x plus 2. So, first and foremost thing is, so you set it apart, integral dx aside. So take 1 by x plus 1 into x plus 2. This is a proper fraction in which degree of numerator is 0 and degree of denominator is 2. So 0 is less than 2. And the denominator contains two non-repeated linear factor. For every non-repeated linear factor, there corresponds to a partial fraction of the form a by x plus 1, b by x plus 2, where a and b are to be evaluated. A by x plus 1 plus b by x plus 2. Now this is equals to 1 by x plus 1 into x plus 2 is equals to, take LCM x plus 1 into x plus 2, then we'll get a into x plus 2 plus b into x plus 1. So this on both sides gets cancelled. So therefore 1 is equals to a into x plus 2 plus b into x plus 1. Here x plus 1 and x plus 2 are two linear factors. Equate them to 0, then we will get x equals to minus 1 and x equals to minus 2. And these, when we substitute in this equation, it gets satisfied. Then we will be getting the values of a and b. So put x is equals to minus 1 implies 1 is equals to a into minus 1 plus 2 is 1, minus 1 plus 1 is 0. So from this a is equals to 1. Likewise, put x is equals to minus 2. This implies 1 is equals to minus 2 on substituting here, it will be 0. So b into minus 2 plus 1. So this is minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1 into b. Minus b equals to 1. b is equals to minus 1. Therefore, 1 by x plus 1 into x plus 2. This is equals to, the value of a is 1 by x plus 1 plus b value is minus 1 by x plus 2. So we have obtained the values of a and b. Now integral 1 by x plus 1 into x plus 2 into dx. This is equals to integral dx. Integral dx is same. So 1 by x plus 1 into x plus 2 we have just derived it. So this is 1 by x plus 1 minus 1 by x plus 2. So this integral dx will be applicable for both of them. So let us distribute integral dx to both these. So integral 1 by x plus 1 dx minus integral 1 by x plus 2 dx. So integral 1 by x plus 1 dx is, it is of the form integral 1 by x dx, log mod x. So 1 by x plus 1 dx is log modulus of x plus 1 minus, this is log modulus of x plus 2 plus constant of integration c. So this is of the form log a minus log b, log a by b. So this is log of x plus 1 by x plus 2 plus constant of integration c. Integral of 1 by e power x minus 1 dx. So first of all, let us multiply and divide with e power x on numerator and denominator. So this is e power x by e power x into e power x minus 1 dx. So with e power x I have multiplied to the numerator, and e power x I have multiplied to the denominator without loss of generality. So this is equals to e power x I'm writing outside. So this is 1 by e power x into e power x minus 1. It can be written as 1 by e power x minus 1 minus 1 by e power x dx. So I have written e power x by e power x minus 1 to be 1 by e power x minus 1 minus 1 by e power x. So the LCM is going to be e power x into e power x minus 1. So the LCM is e power x minus of e power x minus of 1 into e power x minus 1 is this. So e power x minus e power x minus into minus plus 1. So 1 by e power x into e power x minus 1 is what we have left with. So this e power x by e power x minus 1 I have written it to be this. Now, so let us bring e power x inside integral. So integral of e power x by e power x minus 1 dx minus e power x into 1 is e power x by e power x dx. It is one time. Now e power x by e power x minus 1. So if I take e power x minus 1 to be f of x, then what is its f dash x? E power x derivative is e power x minus 1 derivative is 0. So altogether its derivative is e power x. So this is the form. This is f of x and its derivative is f dash x. So integral f dash x by f of x dx is, we know, log mod f of x. So log modulus of e power x minus 1 minus integral 1 dx is x plus constant of integration c. So this we have written on the basis of integral f dash x by f of x dx is log modulus of f of x plus constant of integration c. So e power x minus 1 is f of x, e power x minus 1 derivative is e power x, which is f dash x, which is situated on the numerator. So the formula is this. Now this further can be written as log e power x minus 1 minus, this x can be written as log e power x to the base e. So x can be written as log e power x. Log e power x is log a to the power of m is m log a. This x which is on the power will come forward, x log e to the base e. E to the base e is 1, x into 1 x. So x can be written as log e power x to the base e. So this is equals to, so its base is also e, so no need to write it. Okay, now log a minus log b is log a by b. So this is log of e power x minus 1 by e power x plus c. So this is equals to, so this itself is the answer for the integral of this. Integral 1 by 1 minus x into 4 plus x square dx. So the again it is a proper fraction, needless to say, and the denominator contains 1 minus x. It is of the form ax plus b, because minus 1x plus 1, ax plus b type. So which is a linear factor. Which linear factor? Non-repeated linear factor. Had it been a repeated linear factor, it would have been 1 minus x whole square, 1 minus x whole cube, etc. So since its power is 1, therefore it is a non-repeated linear factor type 1. For non-repeated linear factor, there corresponds to a partial fraction of the form a by 1 minus x. This is over. And as far as 4 plus x square is concerned, which is situated in the denominator, it is not a linear factor like this. What is it then? It is a quadratic factor. Which quadratic factor? Irreducible quadratic factor. What is irreducible quadratic factor? The factor. What is irreducible quadratic factor? Which doesn't have any factors further. So it cannot be decomposed into further factors. So had it been 4 minus x square, then it would be 2 plus x into 2 minus x, a square minus b square. But it is not here like that. So 4 plus x square is a quadratic factor. Further, it is an irreducible quadratic factor. Irreducible quadratic factor is the third type. For every irreducible quadratic factor ax square plus bx plus c, there is a partial fraction of the form ax plus b by ax square plus bx plus c. So, since a is already used for this, instead of ax plus b, bx plus c. So, first of all, without integration, let us consider 1 by 1 minus x into 4 plus x square. So 1 minus x, so a by 1 minus x, the non-repeated linear factor type 1 plus non-repeated irreducible quadratic factor type 3. So bx plus c, actually ax plus b, since a is already used, bx plus c by 4 plus x square, where the constants a, b, c are to be evaluated. So one of the three constant a, b, c we will be getting through equating x equals to 1, because 1 minus x is a factor equated to 0. 1 minus x equals to 0, 1 equals to x, or x equals to 1. X equals to 1 is the root or solution, and root or solution has to satisfy the equation. So if you substitute x equals to 1 in the equation, then one of the three values, we cannot say without solving it. So one of the three constants we will be getting, right? Now 1 by 1 minus x into 4 plus x square, this is equals to, the LCM for which is 1 minus x into 4 plus x square. So a into 4 plus x square plus bx plus c into 1 minus x. So the denominator on both the sides gets cancelled. Therefore 1 is equals to a into 4 plus x square plus bx plus c into 1 minus x. As we have discussed before, put x is equals to 1. That implies 1 is equals to a into 4 plus x square is 1 square. 4 plus 1 is 5. From this, a is equals to 1 by 5 we get. Likewise, comparing the coefficients of x square on both sides. So we don't have x square term in the LHS, therefore its quotient will be 0. So 4a ax square, 4a is a constant, so ax square, so x square quotient we need, so x square quotient is a here. Bx into 1 is bx, bx into minus x is minus bx square, x square quotient is minus b. So c into 1 c, which is a constant, so we are looking for comparing the quotient of x square, therefore we ignore that. C into minus x is minus cx, so it will be the x term. So therefore this is what we are getting. A minus b equals to 0. From this a is equals to b, so b is also a, and a is 1 by 5, which we got earlier. Now comparing the constants on both sides, you may look for even the coefficient of x as well, no problem. So constant in the LHS is 1. So 4 into a, 4a, which is a constant. So c into 1 is c, which is a constant. So 1 minus 4a is equals to c. So 1 minus 4 into the value of a is 1. 4 into 1 by a is, the value of a is 1 by 5. 4 into 1 by 5 is 4 by 5 is equals to c. From this, c is equals to 5 ones are 5. 5 minus 4, 1. So all the values a, b, c all everything we got 1 by 5 only. So this is what we got. 1 by 1 minus x into 4 plus x square is a by 1 minus x, bx plus c by 4 plus x square. So the value of a just now we got it to be 1 by 5 by 1 minus x. So 1 by 5 into 1 minus x. A by b by c is a by bc. 1 by 5 by 1 minus x. 1 by 5 into 1 minus x plus b value is 1 by 5x. C value is 1 by 5 by 4 plus x square. So this is 1 by 5 into 1 minus x plus 1 by 5 if you take then x plus 1 by 4 plus x square. 1 by 5 I have taken as a I have taken aside, then x plus 1 by 4 plus x square we get. Now integral 1 by 1 minus x into 4 plus x square dx is integral of 1 by 5. I will separate it from the process of integration. 1 by 1 minus x dx plus 1 by 5 integral x plus 1 by 4 plus x square dx. So this is 1 by 5 integral 1 minus x dx plus 1 by 5 integral, this is x by 4 plus x square dx plus 1 by 5 integral 1 by 4 plus x square dx. So 1 by 5 a plus b by c, a by c, so x by 4 plus x square dx. So 1 by 5 into 1 is 1 by 5, 1 by 4 plus x square dx. So this is equals to 1 by 5. It is of the form integral 1 by x dx, which is log mod x. So this is log mod 1 minus x by x coefficient is minus 1 plus 1 by 5. So here 4 plus x square, its derivative is 4 derivative is 0, x square derivative is 2x. So here we have x only. So we want another 2 here. So without loss of generality, I have multiplied and divided with a 2. Why did I do this? 4 plus x square derivative is 4 derivative is 0. X square derivative is 2x. But we only have x here. So for which 2 is needed. So with 2 I have balanced. So 2 I have multiplied and divided. So now plus 5 2s are 10. Now this is the form 4 plus x square derivative is situated on the numerator. So this is f dash x by f of x, log mod f of x. So log modulus of 4 plus x square plus 1 by 5. 4 plus x square can be written as 2 square plus x square. So this is the form integral 1 by a square plus x square dx. 1 by a tan inverse x by a. So 1 by a is 2 tan inverse x by a, x by 2 plus constant of integration c. So 5 2s are 10. So this is 1 by 10 tan inverse x by 2. So here log 1 minus x by minus 1 is this minus I will write here, because let us suppose this to be x. Integral 1 by x dx is log mod x. So log mod of 1 minus x by d by dx of whichever we have taken before to be x, we need to differentiate by d by dx of 1 minus x. Why by? Because integration and differentiation are the reversal processes. We used to do into d by dx of 1 minus x in the first year. So that was the differentiation. This is integration by d by dx of 1 minus x. 1 derivative is 0. D by dx of minus x is minus 1. That minus 1 is this. So this is the answer for the given integrand. Integral of 2x plus 3 by x cube plus x square minus 2x dx. So let us first consider 2x plus 3 by x cube plus x square minus 2x without integral. So consider 2x plus 3 by x cube plus x square minus 2x. So this is a fraction with both numerator as well as denominator or the polynomial in x. Therefore, this is a polynomial fraction or simply fraction or rational fraction, whatever it is. Now, degree of numerator is 1, degree of denominator is 3. Therefore, degree of numerator is less than degree of denominator. Yes, it is a proper fraction. And denominator is a cubic equation. So, but as far as we have learnt the methods of partial fractions, we only have either linear factors or quadratic factors. Quadratic factors, reducible quadratic factor or irreducible quadratic factor. We don't have any cubic factor or something else. So let us first express this x cube plus x square minus 2x as the combination of or the product of quadratic and linear. So 2x plus 3 by, here I will take x as a common, then x square plus x minus 2. Yes, what is x? It is a linear factor. Which linear factor? Non-repeated, because x power 1. So this is a type 1. As far as x square plus x minus 2, first of all, what is this? It's a quadratic factor. Now the question basically arises as which quadratic factor it is. Irreducible quadratic factor or reducible quadratic factor. If it is an irreducible quadratic factor, it falls in the type 3. So first let us examine whether it is a quadratic irreducible quadratic factor or reducible quadratic factor. Now, x square plus x minus 2. So 1 2 is a minus 2. So this is x square plus 2x minus x minus 2. So this I have expressed as this x square plus 2x minus x minus 2, because 1 into minus 2 is minus 2. So 2 into minus 1 is also minus 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. So 1 into x. So splitting of the middle term method we have done. Now take x as a common, then x plus 2. Take minus 1 as a common, then x plus 2. So this is x plus 2. If you take it common, then this is x minus 1. Therefore, 2x plus 3 by x cube plus x square minus 2 is equals to 2x plus 3 by x into x square plus x minus 2 is this, x minus 1 into x plus 2. So the partial fraction for this is, the denominator contains 3 non-repeated linear factors. As far as non-repeated linear factors are concerned, it falls in type 1. So for every non-repeated linear factor, there corresponds to a constant. So this is a by x plus b by x minus 1 plus c by x plus 2. So this implies 2x plus 3 by x into x minus 1 into x plus 2. This is equals to, on finding LCM, x into x minus 1 into x plus 2. So this by x gets cancelled. A into this we will be getting. So a into x minus 1 into x plus 2 plus this by this, x minus 1 gets cancelled. So x into x plus 2 into b. So b x into x plus 2 plus c into this by x plus 2. X plus 2 gets cancelled. X into x minus 1 into c. So c into x minus 1. So this on both the sides gets cancelled. Therefore, 2x plus 3 is equals to a into x minus 1 into x plus 2 plus b into x plus 2 plus c into x minus 1. So here x into x minus 1 into x plus 2 is are the linear factors. So x equals to 0, we are going to substitute. x equals to 1 and x equals to minus 1. Then we will obtain the values of the constants a, b and c. X is equals to 0. 2 0 0 0 plus 3 is 3. So a into 0 minus 1 is minus 1, 0 plus 2 is 2. So if you substitute x equals to 0 here, 0 into something, this is 0 and this will also become 0. So therefore this is a is equals to minus 3 by 2 and put x is equals to 1 if you substitute. 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 3 5 is equals to a into, so a is going to be, this term is going to be 0 because on substituting 1 here, 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 into anything is 0. So here we are not getting. So likewise here also this term will become 0 because 1 minus 1 is 0 into something 0. So we are left with the b term only, middle term. So b into the value of x is 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. So this is b is equals to 1 3 is a 3, so 5 by 3. Put x is equals to minus 2. Substitute. 2 into minus 2 is minus 4 plus 3 minus 1. So this is equals to minus 2. If you substitute here, it will be 0 and this will be 0. We are only left with the last term, c into the value of x is minus 2 into minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. Minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. So these minus on both the sides gets cancelled. So therefore c is equals to 2 3s are 6. So minus 1 by 6. Therefore the question is 2x plus 3 by x into x cube minus x square plus 2x is equals to, the value of a is minus 3 by 2 by x. So 3 by 2 into x plus b value is 5 by 3 by x minus 1. So this is into x minus 1 plus the value of c is minus 1 by 6 into x plus 2. So this is what we have got, x cube plus x square minus 2x. Now so we have to integrate this, right? So 2x plus 3 by x cube plus x square minus 2x dx is equals to so integral dx of this. So integral dx is for this as well as this, right? So if you split the integral for these three terms, then minus 3 by 2, since it is a constant, I will separate it from the process of integration. Integral 1 by x dx plus 5 by 3 integral 1 by x minus 1 dx minus 1 by 6 integral of 1 by x plus 2 dx. So minus 3 by 2 integral 1 by x dx is log modulus of x plus 5 by 3 integral 1 by x minus 1 dx is log modulus of x minus 1 plus minus 1 by 6 log modulus of x plus 2 plus constant of integration c. So far we have completed the first Roman, and the second Roman is the first problem, integral dx by 6x square minus 5x plus 1. So how do we do this? So the denominator contains a quadratic factor. So we can do this in two methods, two ways. So one method is, which we have discussed in the exercise 6D. If the denominator contains a pure quadratic expression, then we have to complete the square method. So 6x square minus 5x plus 1, either ax plus b whole square or ax minus b whole square. So we have to convert and then we have to solve it. Otherwise, partial fractions method is also applicable here, which we have been discussing in this particular exercise. Okay. So first of all, consider 1 by 6x square minus 5x plus 1. This is equals to, first consider 6x square minus 5x plus 1. So is a quadratic factor. Okay. Which quadratic factor? Reducible or irreducible? What is reducible and what is irreducible? Irreducible quadratic factor is that factor, that expression which cannot be reduced any further, which cannot be factorized any further, which cannot be decomposed, which cannot be splitted. Okay. So, but 6x square minus 5x plus 1, let us see whether we actually succeed in expressing this into the product of two factors or not. If at all we cannot express this in the product of two factors, then it is considered to be the irreducible quadratic factor. As far as irreducible quadratic factor is concerned, it falls in type 3. So simply we can write ax plus b by 6x square minus 5x plus 1. So let us see whether we actually succeed in expressing further factors or not. Now, 6 1s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 2 plus 3 is 5. So yes, it can be factorized. So splitting of the middle term method we do to find the factors from this. So let us do the factorization, right? 6 into 1 is 6. So 6x square minus 2x minus 3x. Minus 2x minus 3x. If you add the middle term method, middle term, if you split, minus 2x minus 3x, which is minus 5x. 6 into 1 is 6. Minus 2 into minus 3 is minus into minus plus 2 3 is 6. So we can write like this, plus 1. Take 2x as a common. So 6x square is 2x into 3x. So here also 2x is there. So 2x if you take common, then we are left with 3x here. Minus 2x quotient is 1. Minus, here minus is there, here plus is there. Take minus as a common, then this minus 3x will become plus 3x and this plus 1 will become minus 1. Now 3x minus 1 is seemed to be common. 3x minus 1, if you take common, then we will get 2x minus 1. Therefore 1 by 6x square minus 5x plus 1 is equals to 1 by 2x minus 1 into 3x minus 1. So this is a proper fraction, and further it is a partial fractions is applicable for this. So 2x minus 1 and 3x minus 1 are two non-repeated linear factors type 1. So for every non-repeated linear factor, there corresponds to a partial fraction of the form a by this, b by this, and a and b are to be evaluated. So a by 2x minus 1 plus b by 3x minus 1. So this implies 1 is equals to, so this is a into 3x minus 1 plus b into 2x minus 1 by 2x minus 1 into 3x minus 1. So this on both the sides gets cancelled. Therefore we are left with 1 is equals to a into 3x minus 1 plus b into 2x minus 1. So this is the direct step. Otherwise actually this is equals to a into 3x minus 1 plus b into 2x minus 1 by 2x minus 1 into 3x minus 1. This and this gets cancelled. We actually left with this. Now 2x minus 1 is a factor. Equate it to 0. 2x minus 1 equals to 0. 2x is equals to 1. X equals to half. So x equals to 1 by 2 is the root or solution. As far as root or solution is concerned, if you substitute in this equation, it gets satisfied. In that way, we will obtain the constant a or b. So is the case with 3x minus 1. So x equals to 1 by 3 if you substitute, then we will get it. So we are going to substitute x equals to 1 by 2 and x equals to 1 by 3. Put x equals to 1 by 2. Substitute. 1 is equals to a into 3 into 1 by 2 is 3 by 2 minus 1. So 1 is equals to a into 3 minus 2 by 2. 3 minus 2 is 1, so 1 by 2. So a is equals to 2. Put x is equals to, so this term is going to be cancelled because 2 into the value of x is 1 by 2 minus 1. 2 gets cancelled. 1 minus 1 is 0 into something, this is 0. Likewise, put x is equals to 1 by 2. 1 is equals to, this is going to be cancelled. So 3 into 1 by 3, 3 gets cancelled, 1 minus 1 is 0. So b into 2 into 1 by 3 is 2 by 3 minus 1. So 1 is equals to b into, this is 2 minus 3 by 3. 2 minus 3 by 3. So minus 1 by 3. So from this b is equals to how much? Minus 3. Therefore, a by 2x minus 1, b by 3x minus 1. In the place of a, we will write 2, and in the place of b, we will write minus 3. So 1 by 6x square minus 5x plus 1 is equals to, this is what we have written earlier. So a value we have found to be 2x minus 1, b value is minus 3 by 3x minus 1. So we want the integral of 1 by 6x square minus 5x plus 1 dx. So what is 1 by 6x square minus 5x plus 1? 2 by 2x minus 1 minus 3 by 3x minus 1. So 2 by 2x minus 1 minus 3 by 3x minus 1. So this value I have replaced with this. So integral dx. So this integration is distributed to these two terms. So integral 2 by 2x minus 1 dx minus integral 3 by 3x minus 1 dx. So 2, I am separating it from the process of integration. 1 by 2x minus 1 dx minus 3, I will separate from the process of integration. 1 by 3x minus 1 dx. So it is our form integral 1 by x dx. What is integral 1 by x dx? Log mod x. So 2 log modulus of 2x minus 1 by, what is the, so since we have treated 2x minus 1 to be x, then it has become integral 1 by x dx. So we have applied the formula. By, since we have treated this to be x, we have to differentiate it by d by dx of 2x minus 1. d by dx of 2x is 2 into 1, 2, 1 derivative is 0. So by 2 we get, so 2 gets cancelled. Minus 3 into integral 1 by 3x minus 1 is log modulus of 3x minus 1 by the quotient of x is 3. So this gets cancelled plus c. So this is log a minus log b, log of a by b. So this is equals to log 2x minus 1 by 3x minus 1 plus constant of integration c.